This event, Manufacturing Day, is important because the City of Tucker works with us at Tucker High School to provide real-world and career experiences for our students. So having this opportunity today for our students to interface and meet and network with our local business professionals in the community is immensely important. It expounds and provides realistic experiences for college and career readiness, and it's the things that we talk about every day. But having the opportunity to meet different business individuals and career explorations, and for them to develop a network and build a network is important. So excited to have them here at Tucker High School and have half a day for them to ask questions, meet, and really just get some questions answered so they can see the connection between what they're learning at school every day and where and how it will serve them in their career in college after high school.
We want Tucker to be a place where a person can live and work and play and pray their whole life, the length of their life and the breadth of their life. And so if this enables these kids to stay here or come back here after going away for an education, it's all good, and we want them to be the kind of generational families Tucker's known for.
Today I'm learning about different manufacturing jobs here in Tucker and around the world.
They gave me a lot of good information about internships that I could do over the summer that could help me as far as when I go to college, as far as like college reimbursements.
Very nice facility compared to what it was in 1977. I'm glad to see that Tucker High School is reintroducing kids to manufacturing. Things like shop class have left high school a long time ago, and there's a whole world of careers out there for young people that involve working with your hands.